Loud P2. The second ultrasound is made of the aortic and pulmonic component, and the aortic component is normally louder than the pulmonic component. S1, closure of the mitral and tricuspid valve. S2, closure of the aortic and pulmonic valve, and the aortic component is before the pulmonic component. If the loud P2, it may be because of increased pressure, as occurs with pulmonary hypertension secondary to Eisenmenger syndrome or copulmonale, or it can be due to nearer distance to the chest, as in a thin patient, or a straight back syndrome. It could be due to increased flow across the valve, as occurs in atrial septal defect and hyperdynamic states, or it could be due to a dilated vessel, as occurs with idiopathic dilated pulmonary artery. Thank you.